How I created an n8n workflow that hosts my own AI agent that interacts via voice chat on the web and intakes post ideas and then submits to a subflow that creates a social media post and automatically posts to 6 socials. How it works is this AI agent is actually firing off text to a static file hosted here on Cloudflare. This is a free account. This is the index West 57th. It's simply an HTML file with JavaScript embedded. It's 400 lines, and it generates the web UI here to interact with Fred, which I can also access on my phone. So let's see what he's up to. Fred, what you up to?
Well, I'm still here, still cranky, and still pretending I care about AI-driven personalization and social commerce, because apparently that's what the kids are into.
Okay,
You're gonna throw me a topic?
Okay,
am I gonna have to start ranting about how loop marketing sounds like something Frank would invent?
I have to tone him down. He's baked in coded to be sarcastic, grumpy. He's the cousin of Frank, another AI agent I created. So we're going to switch over to the web UI here, but this is hot. I can access this anywhere. It's my agent. Pennies on the dollar. All these free AI tools that you see in your advertisements, go ahead and use them for a few weeks and try to do posts and see how free they are. Okay, so we'll just chat right here. Fred, you there? The mic cuts off automatically. There's the slight delay.
Yeah. Still here, still loud. You finally gonna drop that post, or just here to watch the cursor blink?
Find the most recent article about a real target date that a quantum computer will be available to an enterprise. This is just a post idea. So enterprise adoption, Rigetti's ready.
CNBC just dropped the real talk. Practical quantum advantage by 2028 to 2029, with enterprise-wide adoption
delay there is
pushing into
because
the 2030s.
the Grok API is the REST API, so it's not an open WebSocket. It does one payload at a time, pings up to text-to-speech Grok, and gets the whole voice audio back at once. So there's a little delay there, but I don't mind. Sounds good. Make a topic and a content and one @ mention and one reference URL for a post summary. Oh, it's asking for my email or my WhatsApp. Phone number +1 646, email. At this point, I'm just going to say yes, confirm, and submit post and let the flow run. Confirmed, yes. Okay. So
hand it off
let's
to
check
production.
the subflow.
You'll get a WhatsApp and or email updates.
So Fred would have handed that off here to production, which goes on this leg, which triggers the subflow here. Now let's go to executions on this flow. This is the master social media posting flow. And we'll start a timer on this. And if you see the timer jump, I'm simply editing the video, but I'm going to let the timer run. This is a 7, 8, 9 minute cycle to create a 20-second video complete with voiceover, music, and so forth, text, description, and everything, posted to all 6 socials as you can see here. So there's going to be a couple of WhatsApp notifications in the meantime while it runs, but in executions I won't be able to see anything here until basically it's finished. Incidentally, both of these flows have access to the same database, a Postgres SQL database, in order to keep track of the user and of the chat history. As you can see here, this is the users table and the chat histories here of each input and each output of a cycle. This entire flow here was highlighted in a previous video I did. It is currently wired in to use the fal.ai Hailuo models for the video generation, and this is a total of 13 cents per run to create a 20-second video, and that is low. If you really look at video generation, you're calling to APIs and the costs are usually much higher than this. The secret sauce over here is the editing. using a local library FFmpeg, but it handles voiceover, background music, an intro, fade-in intro, some overlay punch words put up on the video, and watermark at the end, and so forth. This is real manual social posting using n8n without really third-party services that cost those extraordinary fees. Really calculate out, if you were posting 1 or 2 posts a day, every day for 30 days, what it costs using Blotado or Upload Post, these other exterior services. They're $19, they're $49, they're $69 a month. And that's an electric bill payment. Now there's 1, 2, 3, 4 AI nodes that are connected to LLMs. I've got Grok, Llama 4 Scout, that's free, and a Qwen 3 from Silicon Flow. Qwen 3, 14 billion parameter there. So they're actually really thrifty. I've calculated this out to like 1 cent a run. I could go back to Fred because that's handed off to production. So Fred, do you want to do another post?
Always got room for another post, partner.
Oh,
Just don't ask me to rhyme it. What's the damage?
I had the speaker off. And again, it's really cute to have this available right on my phone. I could create posts just on the road. Whoops, I missed it. It finished here in 8 minutes. That's the success run. These are the executions. Everything's green. It went through editing. It went through, I have a random choice from Fish Audio of the voiceover in sort of a 50s announcer aspect. I can check my video right here in the FFmpeg editing node, and I can check the quality or what the video is.
We interrupt your board meeting with quantum reality from West 57. Advantage by 2028? Sure. But real enterprise adoption? Stuck in pilot purgatory till the 30s, hardware races ahead, while companies celebrate wins that still can't crunch their workloads. Irony at light speed.
I don't get it. I guess what it's saying is the 2030 is the date. I'll have to check the text on that post, but I can look at my posts. I can look at my posts here. This is LinkedIn.
Quantum reality from West 57. Advantage by 2028? Sure. But real enterprise adoption? Stuck in pilot purgatory till the 30s. Hardware race.
Okay, I get it. So, and here's the text it generated for LinkedIn, YouTube, and these are shorts, of course. Is here, same post with the text, and my Instagram is here, and there's the post there, along with the text. Facebook, and there's the post, and on X, and there it is with the shorter amount of text for X. And there is TikTok, which is similar to X. It has a shorter amount of text here.
With quantum.
These are various intros I created, which is a 4 or 5 second video clip. This is also AI generated, but I've pre-generated those, and they're in a folder that the FFmpeg simply grabs a random 1 out of 4 right now as an intro. So it plays this intro.
Reality from West 57.
And then
Advantage by 2028.
It goes into the post. So there you have it. If you're interested in this kind of thing, please feel free to reach out. You can reach us on any of the socials, like, subscribe, and so forth. You can see all of them green, all success, with notifications at the end created by this code node. And that can go to WhatsApp, email, Telegram, anything, giving you notice of the successes, or it will catch the failures. But it won't stop the flow if one social fails. So there you have it, and thanks for checking in.
Welcome to West 57.